copy. So you can hover your mouse over here and it will show you the parameter description. Source X coordinate, source Y coordinate, and then destination X coordinate, destination Y coordinate, and then the size, and then the what operation you want to do. So this is the meaning of these parameters here. Once you have completed this instruction, your memory image object now holds a copy of the desktop, but it is residing in memory. It has not yet been saved to a file. So that is why we need to have another function called save in order to save this memory image to the local file system. So the next step is where we call the save function. The save function will create a string out of this to get a path. So string.format, the syntax is as follows. The %0 here is a placeholder for this value. So this value is merely to get the path where this binary is residing. That means we are trying to create a path which looks something like this. Put a comment here. We are trying to create this path, directory path. This is what we are trying to create. We are trying to create this. That is why we do all this. So this is a placeholder. That means whatever is the result of this expression here, the second parameter, will be inserted into here. That is why we call this a placeholder. And the 2 backslash here is to put this for backslash over here. This part here, path get directory name, will get the directory path for this application. That means when you call application.executable path, you will get something like this. Directory path and the name of this executable, which is local desktop capture.exe. So this is what you are going to get. So this property executable path will return you this result. But you don't want the whole result. You only want the directory where this exe file is located. That is why you put this whole thing as a parameter to this path get directory name function. So the path get directory name function will extract the path where this exe is located, and you will get this result. So in the end, whatever is in here will be this string, and at the back will be the backward slash. The reason why we put 2 backward slash is to prevent the program from misinterpreting this as an escape character. So that's why you put 2 backward slash. So now that they have done that, the next part of this instruction is to copy this name at the back here. So again, we are using a placeholder. So this placeholder now will be the path name that we got from here. So the path name is actually this. And now we are now adding this extra name at the back. That means after this line is executed, this file name will be desktop.jpg. Now once we have got this file name here, we can use this file name in the next instruction over here. So this is where we make use of the memory image that we got up here. And the memory image has got a built-in save method. So here is where we are calling the save method and passing it 2 parameters, the file name that we want to save, which is desktop.jpg, including all this path, and the type of image format that we want to save it in, which is image format.jpg. So after this instruction runs, we should have a file in the local directory where this program is residing. So now we can run this program. We can save this and we can build it. Click build solution, and build succeeded. Now we can go and test it out. So we open our folder, local desktop capture, look for the bin folder, open the debug folder. So this is the program now. So now we double click and see what happens. Now the program runs. Now we click on the button capture desktop and notice a new file will be dumped here. And we see there's a new file there, desktop JPG. We can now double click this to open and see it, and there is our desktop capture. So this is how it works. So this desktop capture JPG is the name of the file. So this program is very robust because it will copy the desktop JPG into any folder which this program resides in. So you can put this on any part of your file system, and the desktop JPG will always be copied into the same folder as this program because of this code here and here. So that's all for this project on local desktop capture. Thank you for watching.